Let's do some product research today on Walgreens. I'm going to show you how to actually navigate Walgreens and how to find profitable products to flip on Amazon on this website, right? So let's just get started. So the specific thing with Walgreens is that they release new sales every Sunday, right? One of the things is that we don't want to sell product, we don't want to buy products full price to flip them at with a markup. That's not how it works. We want to find discounted products such as the CeraVe products that are right there, or the Vaseline products right there, right? That are buy one get one 50% off, which is pretty much 25% off, right? And so this is where we're going to start our journey. Trying to find profitable products. Now, I noticed that there's a lot of Vaseline products, so we're going to do this. We're going to go into the Keepa product finder. Here we go. And we are going to look for Vaseline products in itself. Now, one thing that we want to understand as well is how much can we actually manufacture our margins? Meaning, how much can we actually reduce our cost, right? Or how much we're going to pay. And there's a couple of things that we can do. So first of all, we're going to use this right? The buy one, get one. But it looks like we also have an extra 20% on $40 or plus on select beauty and personal care with this code, right? Which is perfect. On top of that, I'm going to go into cardbeer.com and I'm going to check if I can find exactly perfect. So we have 9% of gift cards at Walgreens. Now, these are going to be, let me see. This is probably physical cards. Let me look at these. Yeah, 5% here. Right here, we have one gift card for 9%, which is amazing. So I'm going to use my profit calculator. Product calculation, boom. Here we go, and I'm going to set it up. So we have a 9% gift card. By the way, you can get this spreadsheet for free in the description. We have a 20% coupon and a 25% coupon. So what this will allow me to do as well is right there, we have a 25% coupon, so I can calculate all this, right? We have a 25% coupon. Oh, that was actually done. And so it's pretty much, we get a 40% off, pretty much, right? So coupon, I'm going to add 40% right here. And credit card cashback, so usually you can always get 2%. So this is what we're going to do, all right? Now, let's get back here. So we have a lot of Vaseline product. I'm going to use the Keepa product finder to find Vaseline branded product, right? I'm going to scroll down right here to brand and enter Vaseline, boom, right there. And we have 914 Vaseline products. Now, I want to find only products where Amazon is not selling, right? So we only have 100 products, 100 Vaseline products that are being sold by Amazon. So we have 800 products that we can potentially sell, right? We're just going to sort them by how fast they sell, boom, and we're going to look at the Keepa chart to see if there's any red flag. So price went up on this one recently, which is kind of weird. And we're going to check if we can actually sell Vaseline product with ref seller. So this one is restricted. What I'm wondering is if all the Vaseline products are actually restricted. This one doesn't seem restricted. Let me look at it because we see a lot of price fluctuation. Let's see. It is actually restricted for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch up the filters and I'm going to see if I have Vaseline products with at least 3 sellers, right? So 300 Vaseline products with at least 3 sellers. Let's see if it looks like there's a lot of sellers. It doesn't look like, oh, wait. So this one looks interesting. Let's see. Still restricted for me. Interesting. We have some big sellers that can still sell this. So that's a product that you may be able to sell yourself that you will need to check. I cannot sell it myself, I'm restricted, but let's see if it's actually on Walgreens. I don't see it so far. Interesting. What's the exact name of the product? It's just the OG. It's just pretty much like a 2-pack. So that's the OG and the the one for the lips. All right, so Vaseline original, whatever. Vaseline original formula. So how big is it? It's 7.5 ounce. 7.5 ounce, so it's $5.99, and lip therapy is $2.99. So $5.99 plus $2.99, $8.98. $8.98, meaning we get the product. $8.98. Boom, we got the product at $5.14. Let me check. Let me go back here. $5.14, and we actually make a profit on this one. No, I mean the profit's not great. It's 6%, right? No, and you have a lot of huge sellers on this, which may not be ideal, right? But that's already some profit, all right? So that's Vaseline. There's maybe some other Vaseline product like this one. It looks like there's more. Yeah, it looks like there's way more volatility when it comes to the price. We have huge distributors on it as well. So we're going to go to the next brand, which was CeraVe, right? So CeraVe, let's check it out. Boom. So I just want to check if, like, let me open up any CeraVe products and let me see if I can actually, like, okay, so any CeraVe products that Amazon is not selling, right? So let's get back here. Let's go to brand. Boom. And instead of Vaseline, we're going to look at CeraVe right here. Boom. Here we go. So we have 11 CeraVe products where Amazon is not selling. That's not a lot, right? But we're going to try to see if we can actually sell on these. We can't sell on these. We're just going to move to the next brand, all right? So which brand can we see right here? So we do have Aveeno. Let's check Aveeno. Aveeno. Let's check it out. 253 products. And it looks like there's a lot of really short-term opportunities when I look at the Keepa chart. But let's see if we're restricted in this or if we can apply. Okay, so we can apply for this, so we can actually sell this. Now, the good news is that, yeah, price go up to 24, and then right now they're at 1997. So these brands are kind of tricky, right? Because you have a lot of huge distributors on them, and so they will not like let the price go up when Amazon sell out because they have way better prices than you. But let's look at it right there. So for example, this one we can sell it at 1463, right? This isn't as much review, it's not a big issue. So we can sell this at 1463. So it's Aveeno Positively Radiant. Let's just look it up right there. Aveeno Positively Radiant. Is that it? So we have two sizes right here. We need the 5 ounce. That's 7 ounce. That's 2 ounce. Let's look it up. So we need a 5 ounce product. What exactly is? It's the brightening scrub. Brightening scrub. Brightening scrub. The brightening scrub. So I would consider selling the 7 ounce one on the 5 ounce. I mean, if it actually makes money. No, the 5 ounce is here. Is it the same? Brightening scrub. Brightening scrub. Boom, we get it at $11.99. No, the issue is we don't have the same coupons on this one as on the other ones that we were finding right here, right? So I saw that there's up to 6% on the clearance. I may actually check the clearance as well. I may actually dig deeper in the clearance. But that's interesting. Okay, so that's, let me see. So we did not have a lot of product, right? A lot of CeraVe product. A lot of Aveeno product, my bad. Oh, actually, no, we do. No, the only thing is we need to find one of these products that are going to be profitable. This one looks interesting because Amazon just sold out. It's selling fast and it's like up there. The price is up there, right? The price is really, really high. Let's check it out. Okay, so it sells at 26 right now. It usually sells at 12. The good news is that if it sells at 26 right now, and if we can get it at the price at which Amazon is selling it, which is $12.95 if I remember correctly, we still make a good amount of money, right? So let's get back here. Boom. Daily moisturizing face lotion. Let's see at what price we can find this. Boom. Face lotion. Okay, so the great news is that we do get the 20% off on this one, right? We do get the 20% off. We don't get the buy one get one 50, but we get the 20% off, which means from $12.99, this is going to go down to $10.39, right? So $10.39, boom, right here. Is it the 12 ounce? Wait, it may not be the 12 ounce. It's not the 12 ounce. It's not. We need to find the 12 ounce. Here we go. So it's $16.99 right here. Can we get any sort of coupon? Okay, so the great thing is that we can get some great gift cards as well in exchange. The least we're gonna get. Okay, let me look at the info. So that's interesting, but we may not actually use this. So let's not actually use this. Let's just use the 20% coupon. So $16.99 times 0.8. So we get this at $13.60, more or less, right? So $13.60. Well, we do make money, actually, right? So we make a 26% return on investment. We make $3.48 for this product. It's selling 2,000 times a month. Now, it may not sell 2,000 times a month at this price, but it may still sell, right? So that's profit already, right? Price may actually go a little bit down. Sales volume is going to go down since price like doubled, but this still can sell, right? Not as fast, but it's going to sell. And so that's how you source Walgreens. Now, I saw that there were some clearance as well, right? So we're going to look at the clearance as well. So obviously you cannot sell ice cream, right? However, all these Valentine's Day wreaths and all that stuff may actually be interesting because sometimes you find those products profitably on Amazon, which can be really interesting for us. Let's check it out. So we have a 2-pack right here. We have a 2-pack for $12.74. We get these for $4.49. It's not really going to work. It's not really going to work, and Amazon is selling them themselves, right? But the clearance, the reason why the clearance are good, like I would highly recommend that you check all those Valentine's Day things, right? Especially Russell Stover, like this brand that people love. So people buy these even after Valentine's Day, and right now there's going to be a lot of Valentine's Day stuff on clearance. But I'm not necessarily going to look by relevance, I'm going to look for top sellers. And that's one way. When you go through a website, that's one thing that you can do to find more profitable products. Now, I see some Walgreens products actually right there. The Pronamel stuff, like it's not discounted enough. A lot of Walgreens product. So what I may do is do a Keepa product finder search for Walgreens, or look for. I may actually do this. Oh, that's actually a really good price. Let's check it out. Let's see if we can actually sell this profitably. $5.99, like it's more than 50% off. That's restricted for me. That's too bad. But let me check if... No, Amazon's selling that. That's too bad. The price is really, really good. It's okay. Let's get back. And what I can do from here is I can actually check, right, from the Keepa product finder, go into brand and check Walgreens product, right? Boom. Walgreens. Here we go. We're going to look for these products and we're going to sort the products right here. And we have a couple of Walgreens products that do sell decently fast. I mean, 150 times a month. That's okay. We're going to look at the first one, like the Iron Slow Release, and see. So Walgreens has been popping up on IP alerts forever. Like, you'll be fine. You're not going to run into some issues for selling Walgreens stuff. We have third party that's pretty much selling on all the profitable online arbitrage products. So this, no, I don't care about that. This, oh, and Walgreens is restricted for me on this account. That's interesting. Is this still a lot of sellers? That's interesting. So these, we can get these at, and right now there's just a 20% off. We're not going to get them cheap enough. I mean, 16. Oh, wait, we do get buy one, get one free. So we get them at like $12.50, like $12.50, and you get 20% off on this. So you get them at $10, which is amazing actually right now. It's actually amazing. So these are profitable. If you can sell these, I can unfortunately not sell these, but if you can sell these, it's hugely profitable. So that's how you would source Walgreens. And then, like, to be honest, like, it's pretty simple. You would just look at what these people that are selling this are selling as well, right? So, for example, like, let's say this guy right there, Paradise Coast Trading. And let's just look at what he's selling. And these have been good for a long time. No, I don't know if they... It doesn't look like they're still selling this fast, but this used to be really good as well, right? So these tool softener, weird products, but weird products makes money, right? From CVS, boom. And let's check it out. So buy one, get one 50% off. It's the 250 count. How much do they sell for? $28.99. We need to find out under $20. $22.99. So if we, boom, we get them at $18.39, which, oh wait, actually more than that. Wait. We actually get them at $17.25, right? So $17.25. We actually make money on this as well, right? So it's as simple as that. Sourcing is really easy. If you want more help with your Amazon business, just look into the description. There's a link for my mentorship program to apply, and there's a link for my free live class as well. So just check it out. I'll see you in the next